I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video I'll explain how to write equation of quadratic function from graph. Question is, write equation for the given parabola in standard form. A quadratic function, whenever you see it on a graph, will look like a parabola. Now here we have a parabola with vertex on the x-axis. The point is 3, 0. To find the equation, we need a couple of other points on the graph. Normally, 3 points are good enough to write equation for a parabola. So 1 is the vertex for us, and then we have selected a point which is 5, 2, and it seems that this is a good point also, which is 7, 8. So these are the points which will help us to write the equation of this parabola. Since we know that the vertex is on x-axis itself, we can write y is equals to a times x, and it is at 3. So it is x minus 3 whole square. So that becomes the equation in vertex form, where the vertex is at 3, 0. Since vertex is at 3, 0, right? Now to find the value of a, we can use any other point on the graph. So let us try to use this point, which is 5, 2. So if I use 5 and 2, that means for x the value is 5 and y is 2. I get 2 equals to a times 5 minus 3 whole square. So 2 is equals to a times 2 square, which is 4, right? So it is 4a, and from here I know a is 2 divided by 4 is the value of a, which is half. Since a is half, I can write my equation as y equals to half of x minus 3 whole square, right? So let me write this equation very clearly, and that is y equals to half of x minus 3 whole square. So I've shown you calculations to find the value of a. Now we could have found the value of a from the steps also. See how. From the vertex, if I move 1 unit away, then the point on the parabola is half unit away. So that shows that the value of a should be half. Next value is half of 3, right? This is 1.5. So this is half and then 1.5 step. Now you see the steps are for us half and then 1.5, right? So steps are half of 1357. Got it? So that also gives you the value of a. So you could directly also find the equation from vertex and the steps. So that is a very good method of finding the equation of parabola. The question actually says we need to find parabola equation in standard form. Now to write this in standard form, we just need to expand. So we get y equals to half of x minus 3 whole square. So that gives us x square. Let's expand it. Minus 2 times 3x, which is 6x, plus 3 square, which is 9, right? So that is half of x square minus 3x plus 9 over 2, right? So that becomes the equation of parabola in standard form. If you want, you can write in decimals, which is 0.5x square minus 3x plus 4.5. So that becomes the solution or the equation for the given graph. Thank you.